I did search a little more and I find out from Elvis Presley Panhead. Check it out. It has the same windshield. You see that? It's exactly the same. This is a national cycle, 1949 to 1965 windshield. Good morning, guys and girls. Check it out, springtime. Look at that. Alright, so we have found a used national cycle windshield for the Harley, and it's exactly the size I want. But the amazing thing is I haven't seen one even on eBay with these little things on the side, you know, the plastic thing here, but it has actually, what are you doing? You gonna leave me alone? Crayon? It has a little channel here, you see that, and it fits exactly inside. I'm gonna clean it. So the chrome is in excellent condition. I don't have the right mount, but I can, you know, do some modifications and make some custom ones or look on eBay or something. We're gonna restore this one because there is no scratch on it. Okay, we're gonna clean this. This was like much worse, so I'm gonna open the whole thing here and clean it. And we have, this is exactly what I want, a little bit taller than the one I have. This is 19.5 above the headlight right here. Okay, and this is 23.5. All right, so it's perfect. It's exactly, I have already put it on the bike, so I know exactly how it looks like, temporary, of course. All right, we're gonna remove everything. I got the tools ready here. Well, that was the piece. I'll be honest with you, I don't know what holds that piece. Maybe right here? Because I don't see any holes on it. Just, you know, holds by the bracket. Look at that. Oh, this is like 3 pieces. Interesting. So this way I can clean it properly, you know. Oh, I got some stuff here. This is for the chrome. I got a 40 just in case I need it. Probably for the back side of this. Don't use nothing else except 40. If you don't find 40, it will scratch you the chrome. And I got microfiber detailed cloth. And I got some, you know, Wintex and paper towel. Now, we're gonna see how we're gonna start with this. We're gonna start with this piece. So it starts getting soaked and wet. What I'm saying? Look inside here. This channel. Okay, so we're gonna go a couple of rounds on that. Okay. This guy was right. The thing, it cleans very good, but most of the work is by the 40. Remember that. We have this piece here that's very dirty. I'm gonna clean it completely. See, when the chrome quality is like that good, You don't have to worry too much. I chromed a couple of pieces last year and they have already rust. It's pretty tight, really. But look at that. Yeah, it works. Much better than before, right? What do you think? Alright, let's do the other ones. Look. This is the one I clean and this one is not clean. Yes, I can see the difference, can you? Alright, good morning guys. Looks like we have a very old windshield in our hands, and I'll be searching around because I'm curious, and I can tell you this is like if you do a search for Harley Davidson Softail windshield, alright, it will bring you all this, but none one it's with the tube around this round. Alright, so what I did is I did search a little more and I find out from Elvis Presley Panhead. Check it out. It has the same windshield. You see that? Let me show you. Check it out. You see that? It's exactly the same. This is a national cycle, 1949 to 1965 windshield. That piece we have right now to put on the Fat Boy, it's old. Okay, it's very old. So I found out also, I found the original manual. So as you can see here, we have a very historic piece to deal with. Alright, so you see, this is the manual. Look at the brackets. It's exactly the same. Okay, and it has the warning inside the maintenance. This is what we're looking for right now. Alright, to clean up the screen, wash with a clean cloth, warm water, and blah blah blah, and don't use any solvents. So storage, look at that. It tells you how to adjust the window. That piece we talked before. So it's amazing. That thing is like, it can be 70 years old. Alright. Look, I have also found on the windshield, I think the part number, but this is stub. It's on the windshield. Polycarbonate, DOT 202, AS6M40. Looks like this is ASTM, but I'm not sure what that is. Okay, AKBA 38477. That can be the serial number. I'm not really sure, or the part number. Probably the part number. Look how nice the 4-0 cleans. Not even 20 seconds. Look at that. Brand new. Alright, we're getting there. Alright, now at this point we can see if we can, you know, fit this in. This goes on the inside. Yes. Okay. All right. And give it a little bit of time. I'm going to put it exactly how they have it before, like up to here somewhere. Okay, that was good. And this will be tension by this bracket here, so it won't go nowhere. Right, at this time, let's turn around and look at it. Okay, we're getting there. Not bad, eh? Alright, look how clean it's now. Yes, it's it's perfect. It's perfect for the Fudway, because our Fudway is classic. We turned 31 years this year. Alright. I don't have the same size bolt like this one. On this side, this is too long. So I have cut this bolt, okay, this one, and this is good now. I found another nut like that from it, and now we're gonna have to fix this one. Alright, let's do an inspection. This is from the trees. You get a lot of pine trees in springtime. Alright, so what do you guys think? Looking good to me. Okay. Yeah, a little bit of imperfection here, but you know what? We'll see. Maybe it's put a nice see-through sticker or something. I just leave it like that. It's a working bike. Beautiful. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. I'm gonna put it on the bike today, yes. Okay, I put it on. I have to find some brackets to cover the bolts because I don't like it much, but that thing is a beauty. What do you guys think? It's exactly the size I want above the headlight. That's like 19 inch from here to here. The plastic came fine here. It's just like, you know, not much wind coming from here anyway. And I used to ride without these things for around 20 years. So yeah, I think it's pretty. It's very pretty. We're gonna clean up, of course, the whole bike. And look at the sign. It exactly has the right angle. Look at that. It's like I don't know, about I said 12 degrees. Okay, and it's a combination of modern technology with the LED lights. If you want to see the other video, everybody's gonna go nuts with that. But I think it looks good. Looks good. Really good. Very happy. See you guys later, and subscribe more like this because I love it. It will come, and give us a like if you like the video. Thanks. Right, my eyes are like right here, so I can see through. But if I want, I can go like that and see above and everything. It will not cover my corners because we're riding mountain roads. That's another reason I didn't put these dark fairings. They put on, you know, street glides and stuff. I was ready to do a modification actually, but I changed my mind. This is a different kind of bike. This is a classic. I will keep it a classic. Believe me, and I have a hard time sometimes. You know, I wanted to put some, you know, bags and stuff, but I think it's perfect. Plus, I ordered the backrest for my other seat for the original. I gave it to the leather guy to replace the leather. It will look exactly like the original Fat Boy seat back in the 90s. And I love it. I love it. Yes. Can't wait to ride the bike.